let's learn some shapes. E te reo Māori. You can sing along with the echo. Porowhita, porowhita, tapa whaorite, tapa whaorite, tapa toru, tapa toru, manawa, manawa. Well done. Let's try it again. Porowhita, porowhita, tapa whaorite, tapa whaorite, tapa toru, manawa, manawa. Well done. Alright, we're going to leave some space for you to do the echo on your own. Ready? Porowhita, tapa whaorite, tapa toru, manawa. Well done. Alright, let's finish it all together. Porowhita, porowhita, tapa whaorite, tapa whaorite, tapa toru, manawa,